Good morning student. Today class we are discuss about unit number 2 integral calculus 1 exercise 2.7 question number 12. So integrate the following function with respect to x. So square root of 1 plus x square. So find the integral value for the given function. So it is given for integral of square root of 1 plus x square into dx. To find out the integral value for the given functions. So write in the order. So that is in the order means that is x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. So how to write it? It is in the form of completion of square method. So here x square given. So x square directly we are writing for the completion of square method. X square means there are two x, that is x into x square. So write for 1x, x plus, see what is the coefficient of x here? 1 only. Coefficient of x is 1. What is the half of 1? 1 by 2. Half of 1 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. X square means x into x, write only 1x plus, what is the coefficient of x? 1. So plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus square this 1 by 2 the whole square. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. This 1 is already given in the question, this 1 plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1. There are x square given, x square means x into x. So write only 1x plus, what is the coefficient of x? 1. So 1 by 2. Coefficient of here 3 means write 3 by 2. Here coefficient of x is 1. So 1 by 2 the whole square minus square this term. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 1. Now x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Simplification of this term is we get the value for 3 by 4. Find out the LCM. We get the value for plus 3 by 4. So converted it is in the form of square form. Square root of root 3 by 4 the whole square. Square root of root 3 by 4 whole square. So square root of root 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So find out the square form. 3 by 4 given. So square root of whole square. So root 3. Next one here, square root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2 the whole square. So it is in the form of x square plus a square. X square plus a square. So what is the formula for x square plus a square? X by 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2 log modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square. So apply this formula. X by 2. What is the x value? Here x plus 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Square root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square. We are simplifying this value only. So you can directly write the values are x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square plus a square by 2. A square by 2. A square value is root 3 by 2. So we get the value for 3 by 8 log of a square. A square value is root 3 by 2. A square value is root 3 square means we get the value for 3. 2 square is 4. Here what is the formula? A square by 2. So 4 2s are 8. We get the value for. This term is a square by 2. A square value is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Square of this term we get the value for 3 by 4. So divided by 2 we get the value for 3 by 8. Log modulus of x. Modulus of x value is x plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 plus square root of x square plus a square. X square, x's value is x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus a square value is root 3 by 2 the whole square. So this is a value for what? This question only. This is equal to what? Square root of 1 plus x square. So we are directly writing for the square root of 1 plus x square. So next one, question number 13. Question number 13. Square root of x square minus 2. Square root of x square minus 2. So integrate the given function. Integral over square root of x square minus 2 into dx. So here x square, there is no x term here. So write this 2 directly in the form of square. So we get the value for root 2 the whole square. X square minus root 2 the whole square into dx. So we can directly apply the formula. What is the formula? Integral of square root of x square minus a square. Integral of square root of x square minus a square into dx equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square. So apply the value. First one is x by 2. X value is here directly x by 2 square root of x square minus a square. X square minus a square root 2 square. Root 2 square we get for minus 2 only. Minus a square. A square is what? Root 2 square. Root 2 square is equal to what? 2 only. So a square by 2. Here a square by 2. So 2 by 2 cancel. 2 by 2 cancel. We get for only log. Next term is log. Minus a square by 2. A square value is root 2 the whole square. A square value is root 2 the whole square. Root 2 whole square equal to what? 2. 2 by 2 cancel. Next term log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square. A square value is root 2 the whole square. We get the value for minus 2 plus c. C is the integral constant. Next one. Question number 14. Question number 14. Find out the integral value of the square root of 4x square minus 5. So find out the value for the integral of square root of 4x square minus 5 into dx. So we are writing the form of square form. So 4x can be written as 2x the whole square minus 5 can be written as root 5 the whole square. 2x the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Now using the substitution method, take t equal to 2x. Take t equal to 2x. So we get the value for 2x equal to t. Differentiation with respect to t. 2 derivative for x is 1. 2 into 1. Next one dx by dt. So we get the value for 2 into here dt by dx. We are taking this term is t. 2x equal to t. Differentiation with respect to what? Here x. So here derivative for x is 1. So dt by dx. 2 into derivative for x is 1 dt by dx. Dt by dx. So 2 into dx equal to dt. So substitute the value here. So what is dx value? Dt by dx value is dt by 2. Dx value dt by 2. Substitute here dt by, that is 1 by 2. This term is t square minus root 5 the whole square into dt. We are considered this term is 2x the whole square minus 5 can be written as root 5 the whole square into dx. So we are taking let t equal to 2x. Differentiation with respect to x, 2. Derivative for x is 1 equal to dt by dx. That is equal to, now substitute here, dx value is dt by 2. So dt by, instead of dx we are substituting dt by 2, that 1 by 2 here we are writing here. So square root of 2x value is t square minus root 5 whole square. So we know the formula for square root of x square minus a square into dx, that is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square. Apply this result. Finally we get for 1 by 2 x by 2, x by 2, x in the place of what is the value here? T only. So we get the value for t by 2 square root of t square minus a square. So t square minus a square value is root 5 the whole square, we get for 5 minus a square value is 5 by 2 log modulus of t plus square root of t square minus 5 plus c. Now what is the value for t? T value is 2x. Substitute here. T value is 2x. 2x divided by 2 square root of tx value is, t value is 2x. 2x square, we get the value for 4x square minus 5 by 2 log t value is 2x plus t square value is 4x square minus 5 plus c. We get the final result for 1 by 4 2x square root of 4x square minus 5 minus 5 log modulus of 2x plus square root of 4x square minus 5 plus c. Already 1 by 2 is there. We are taking 1 by 2 is common out. We get the value for 1 by 4. Next one, question number 15. Question number 15. Integrate the value for 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Integration of this function is equal to integral over square root of, here what is the common term here? 2 is common term. Take 2 out. So remaining term is x square plus 2x plus 1 by 2 into dx. So square root of root 2 is 2 root 2. Square root of root 2 is root 2. Integral of square root of, what is the remaining term? Square root of x square plus 2x plus 1 by 2 into dx. So using the completion of square method, here x square. X square means what? We know the value for x square means x into x, right? Only 1x plus, what is the coefficient of x here? 2. So half of the 2 is 1. So x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 square is 1. This 1 by 2 into dx. So x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 plus 1 by 2, we get the value for minus 1 by 2 into dx. So convert this one into, it is in the form of square 1 by root 2 the whole square. 1 by root 2 the whole square. So what is the formula we are applying here? X square minus a square. X square minus a square into dx equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square. Apply this result. We get the value for this root 2. So what is the value for this integral value? X value is x plus 1. A value is 1 by root 2. X by 2. X value is x plus 1 by 2. Square root of x square. X square value is x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by 2 root 2 square is, we get the value for minus 1 by 2 minus a square. A square value is what? 1 by root 2 the whole square. So square this term, we get for 1 by 2 divided by 2. A square minus a square by 2 log modulus of x. X value is x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus a square. X square value is x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the minus 1 by 2. This is value for a square value plus integral constant. So square root of x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by 2. So it is in the form 2x square only. Here 2x square plus 4x plus 1. So square root of this, simplifying this one is, we get the value for what? X square, 2x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 by 4 log modulus of x plus 1. So it is a simplification of square root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1. See here we are simplifying this one only, square root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1, simplifying. Finally we get the value for what? X plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by root 2 the whole square. That value only we are writing here. So multiply by this root 2 and root 2 cancel, remaining x plus 1 by 2 square root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 minus root 2 by 4 log, here find out the LCM, root 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Find out the LCM for this term. So finally we get value for this one. X plus 1 by 2 square root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 minus root 2 by 4 log modulus of root 2 x plus 1 plus square root of 2 x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Thank you, student.